Hello, this is from Dr.B.Vijayakumar, HOD of Physics, Department of Physics, SNS College of Engineering, Co2. The another one topic we discussed in today is in a CO2 laser. The CO2 is in a first molecular gas laser, is under the types of gas laser. The introduction of CO2 laser. The carbon dioxide laser are the highest power continuous wave laser that are currently available. They are also quite efficiency. The ratio of output power to pump power can be as large as 20% greater than in other types of laser. The CO2 laser produces a beam of infrared light with the principal wavelength band centering on 9.6 and 10.6 micrometer. So this is a exact picture of CO2 laser. The pink color rod is in a mixture of gases, and the blue pipe is vertical, is to create a vacuum inside of the pipes. Then laser beam will be exposed in that outside of optical pipe. So the principle we discuss to start from CO2 laser is it's a first molecular and 4-level laser. It is a very useful and effective laser. It operated at 10.6 micrometer in far IR region. Here we discussed in one more of CO2, because the CO2 is a molecule, so the vibration mode of CO2 molecule we discussed the starting of CO2 laser. There are three types of vibration modes. One is a symmetric stretching mode, another one is asymmetric and bending. First one is symmetric stretching mode. In this mode, the carbon atom is fixed and the two oxygen atoms vibrated in opposite directions. The asymmetric stretching mode. In this mode, the carbon atom vibrate in one direction and both the oxygen atom vibrate in the other direction. The bending mode. In this mode, the carbon atom move in upward direction. The two oxygen atom move in downward direction and vice versa. So this three mode of vibration is formed in one CO2 molecules. Then construction. The discharge tube is made up of a quartz material. It's filled in the mixture of gases for a CO2, nitrogen and helium. To the mixture of the particular ratio of 0.33, 1 is to 1.2 and 7 millimeter of mercury. The another two gases we adding of the CO2 laser is, the one is nitrogen. It's a help to populate the atom in higher energy level of CO2. The second gas of helium, it helped to populate the atom in lower level of CO2 and cooling of this discharge tube. The discharge tube is connected with the DC power supply. The end of the tube are fitted with NACA brush or windows, and two concave mirror are kept at each end to form optical resonators. Then this is a block diagram of CO2 laser. The quartz tube is full of the three gases CO2, N2 and helium at a particular ratio. The edge of the tube it form of NaCl brush or window. It's act of polarizer. Then outside of the two edge of crystal quartz tubes, one is a partially reflecting concave mirror and another side is in a fully reflecting concave mirror. The partially side the laser beam is existed. The working, when the discharge current is passed through the mixture of gases to switch on in a external power supply wise, the electron collide with the nitrogen atom and nitrogen to move from existed levels. So that we form in an equation mode N2 plus E gives N2 star, and the existed nitrogen atom, that is N2 star, collide with ground state of CO2 atom. Then the CO2 is reached from higher energy level of CO2 star. So the N2 star plus CO2 gives CO2 star plus N2. When the population inversion is achieved, then the laser action take place is forming. So this is the energy level diagram. So initially the nitrogen to move from the existed level, the nitrogen existed atom to collide from nearby of CO2 in ground state. Then the ground state CO2 reach in the existed state. Then after it form in the emission of mode in spontaneous and stimulation formation. When the stimulation formation, it reach out to the exact metastable state in two energy level of E3 and E4, it executed in 9.6 and 10.6 micrometer of laser beam. So this is another three transition to form in our diagram wise. E5 to E4 transition, it exists 10.6. E5 to E3 is 9.6 wavelength, and E3 to E2, E4 and E2 is a non-radioactive transmission. The nature of output, pulsed and continuous output. The output power coming out from this laser is 10 kilowatt. The application, low cost in reflection to power capability, often less than $100 per watt. High efficiency output pump ratio is 20%. The wide possible variation in output power and long lifetime. It is all its application. So this is all the reference. I prepare the PPT of CO2 laser. Thank you very much. We discuss in another one topic in another one video. Thank you.